guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not already, go subscribe. Today we just found a baby blue jay egg, and it is so little we think it fell out of a nest, and we found parts of the nest. That's my friend Noah. Go follow his channel through your, and let's go. So we're right now walking to the egg.
Mine's actually posted on YouTube. Is yours?
Yeah. Okay, so we're walking down to the egg right now, where we put the egg after we found it. Our neighbor said it flew out of her bush, so we laid it right here. Right there's the egg, if you all can see it. That's the egg. And now it's just gonna lay in its little nest. So yeah, that's all for today. That's all we wanted to really show. But we did find that egg, and we thought it was pretty cool. We told all our friends and all that. Hope you like my video. See y'all in the next video. Bye.